Viewers, over 120 people have lost their lives in the Hathras stampede. But there's a Samajwadi Party member of parliament who goes on to say, हादसा होते रहता है. We are talking about Samajwadi Party's Ram Gopal Yadav, and this comment of his, this insensitive comment, is coming at a time when there are many families who are still looking for bodies. Let's listen into what he had to say.
हादसा हुआ है, किस तरह से देख रहे हैं पूरे हादसे को लेकर?
देखिए, हादसा तो हादसा ही होते हैं. सबरीमाला पे हो गया, हर जगह होता रहता है. जब कई बार ऐसी स्थिति बन जाती है, ज़्यादा भीड़ हो गई, आस्था इतनी थी भोले बाबा से लोगों को, इतने बड़े पैमाने पर भीड़ हो गई, और जब वो चले और पीछे लोग चले जैसा कहा जा रहा है, हालांकि अब तो जांच का बिंदु है, जांच चल रही, तो उसमें एक हादसा हो गया. गवर्नमेंट इसकी जांच कर रही है, जांच करने के बाद सारी स्थिति सामने आएगी. लेकिन हादसा है, ये कोई डिजाइन या किसी के द्वारा साजिश का रास्ता नहीं, जैसा कुछ लोग कहने लगे.
लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ कह रहे हैं कि इसको लेके कि किसका हाथ है.
अब तो ऐसा है, उनको करना ही चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट को SOPs निर्धारित करना चाहिए कि इस तरह के कार्यक्रम हों तो उनमें कितनी भीड़ हो, कितने की अनुमति हो, जगह है कि नहीं, आने जाने की व्यवस्था सही है कि नहीं, एग्जिट है, एक्सेस है, सही है कि नहीं, डॉक्टरों की व्यवस्था है या नहीं, और अगर शहर के अंदर है तो फायर ब्रिगेड और सारी चीज है कि नहीं. ये सारी चीजों का SOP जारी होगा, उसके हिसाब से ही होंगे. मनचाहे तरीके से लोग नहीं कर सकते.
सर, मणिपुर हिंसा को लेके प्रधानमंत्री जी कह रहे हैं कि अब वहाँ पे हालात सुधर रहे हैं धीरे धीरे.
कोई सुधर नहीं रहे किसी तरह.
Anila Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party is joining us. Good morning, ma'am. There is an MP of the Samajwadi Party, Ram Gopal Yadav. He is going on to say, हादसा है, होते रहता है, बहुत जगहों पे हुआ है. This is coming at a time. There seems to be a bit of a dichotomy. Samajwadi Party started by blaming the BJP government. Today their own MP comes out and says, हादसा है, होते रहता है. Your first reaction to this comment?
My Ram to all. And when he says this thing, I am pretty sure that you must have recollected a statement given by their party, ex-party president, who is no more in this world, Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav. He said, for rape, अरे लड़के हैं, गलती तो होती रहती है. And today, when we have witnessed such a serious, such a sad, such an unfortunate incident, Ram Gopal Yadav, brother of Mulayam Singh Yadav ji, chacha, uncle of Akhilesh Yadav ji, says, ये तो होता ही रहता है. This shows that how casually, how taken for granted is for them the human life. For them it doesn't matter because they were poorest of poor people.
Anila Singh, please stay with us because we also have IP Singh of the Samajwadi Party joining us. Ram Gopal Yadav जी का ये कहना है IP Singh जी की हादसा है, होते रहता है, जबकि मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को जी ये पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं कि शायद जो हाथरस में हुआ उसमें शायद किसी का षड्यंत्र भी हो सकता है. इस पे आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? हादसा है, होते रहता है.
देखिए, मुख्यमंत्री जी नासमझ वाली बात कर रहे हैं. लगातार कई बार इस तरह के उत्तर प्रदेश में हादसे हुए हैं. सबसे ज्यादा माताएं, बहनें और बच्चे मारे गए हैं, और इसके लिए कोई अगर जिम्मेदार है तो उत्तर प्रदेश शासन जिम्मेदार है, वहां का जिला प्रशासन जिम्मेदार है, वहां के जो IAS अफसर हैं, IPS अफसर हैं, वो जिम्मेदार हैं, और सबसे बड़ा किसी का दोष है तो मुख्यमंत्री जी का है. वो ये बहाना करके नहीं बच सकते कि इसमें साजिश हो सकती है.
IP सिंह जी, मुख्यमंत्री जी ने तो कहा है और उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि कुछ लोगों की आदत है कि चोरी भी और सीना जोरी भी. पर आपके पार्टी के जो वरिष्ठ सांसद है राम गोपाल यादव जी, उनका ये कहना है कि हादसा है, हो सकता है, और जांच चल रही है. उसके बावजूद कहते हैं कि ये कहना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है कि शायद कंस्पिरेसी हो सकता है, भले जांच का रिपोर्ट आए या ना आए. तो हादसा हो सकता है, हो ही सकता है. इस पे आपकी क्या टिप्पणी है?
देखिए, लगातार अभी ट्रेन दुर्घटना उड़ीसा में हुई, हजारों लोग मारे गए. लगातार इस तरह की देश में घटनाएं हो रही हैं, और ये विभत्स घटना उत्तर प्रदेश में हुई है. इसके लिए कोई जिम्मेदार है तो योगी सरकार जिम्मेदार है. मैं तो प्रधानमंत्री से इस्तीफा मांगता हूं कि नैतिकता के आधार पर हजारों लोग मर जा रहे हैं और आप एक शब्द नहीं बोलते, मौन धारण कर लेते हैं, आप मन की बात नहीं करते. मुख्यमंत्री को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए जब कानून व्यवस्था आप उत्तर प्रदेश में नहीं संभाल पा रहे हैं, जब आपके हाथ में नियंत्रण खत्म हो गया है। आपका स्वास्थ्य मंत्री जब उसको हाथरस में रहना चाहिए, तब वो अपना पीआर मेंटेन करने के लिए वो दिल्ली में
आईपी सिंह जी, एक रेस्पॉन्सिबल ऑपोजिशन के तौर पर आप लोग भाजपा से सवाल पूछते हैं, उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार से सवाल पूछते हैं, ये आपका हक है और ये आप कर ही रहे हैं। लेकिन जब आपके पार्टी के जो वरिष्ठ सांसद है, अगर वो ये कहते हैं हादसा है, होते रहता है, इस पे आप कोई जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे, क्या आप रामगोपाल यादव जी के उस बयान से वाकिफ रखते हैं?
उनका पूरे बयान को लेना चाहिए। एक लाइन में अगर उनके बयान को एक लाइन में लेंगे और उसको डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, एलेबोरेट करेंगे, ये कहीं भी जस्टिस नहीं होगा। उन्हें देखना चाहिए, उनसे पूछना चाहिए, फिर सवाल पूछने चाहिए कि किस संदर्भ में उन्होंने ये बात कही है। कभी ऐसा नहीं कह सकते, वो हम मान ही नहीं सकते समाजवादी पार्टी ने उसका विरोध किया है और किसी नेता के साथ किसी इस तरह के साधु बाबा की फोटो आती है तो
आईपी सिंह जी, माफी चाहती हूँ, आपको रोक रही हूँ। आपसे मैंने 3 बार एक सवाल पूछा कि क्या रामगोपाल यादव जी ने जो कहा हादसा, ये उनके शब्द है, हमारे नहीं। आप सुन भी लीजिएगा उन्होंने क्या कहा। 2-3 सेंटेंसेस उन्होंने इसी सेंटिमेंट से बोला। पर थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। द समाजवादी पार्टी, दे आर नॉट गिविंग अस straight answers to the specific comment made by Samajwadi Party MP Ram Gopal Yadav. You heard what he said, viewers. हादसा है, होते रहता है. Specifically responding to what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said. Adib and Niyamika are joining us live. Adib is joining us from Lucknow. The focus is on the investigation. A judicial probe has been ordered. The Chief Minister also has weighed in by saying that there are some people जो चोरी और सीनाजोरी करते हैं, if there is a conspiracy behind what happened, even that should be investigated. What is the Chief Minister hinting at? Adib.
Well, Sagarika, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has clearly mentioned that no one will be spared. Thorough investigation is going on in Hathras case. He himself is ordered a judicial inquiry. A retired judge and a retired IAS and IPS officer are part of this judicial committee. In fact, as of now, Uttar Pradesh Police has already detained around 20 people from across UP. Multiple raids are going on, and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is saying whether it's an accident or conspiracy, but we will not be sparing anyone. Who all are responsible for this tragedy, we will be taking them, we will be dealing them with the law, and no one will be spared by UP Police.
All right. So that's the statement that's coming from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and he is spoken about the line of the investigation. The message is clear that no one, especially those who are accountable, will not be spared. Niyamika, the opposition, be it the Samajwadi Party or the Congress Party, they are stepping up the attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party over the tragedy, the mammoth tragedy that took place in Hathras. What is the opposition strategy at this point of time when the Bharatiya Janata Party is talking about focusing on the investigation and finding the culprits?
Well, clearly, whether it is about the Samajwadi Party or the Congress, both the parties are attacking the BJP government in the state, and for that reason they are also demanding that the accountability needs to be fixed. As we have seen that how the Congress Party's General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had also tweeted about this entire matter, and he had said that this is clearly an administrative lapse which had happened at that particular point of time, and for that reason the BJP government is responsible and the accountability needs to be fixed. Not just Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, but we have also seen that how various leaders from both the parties, both Samajwadi Party as well as the Congress, are continuously attacking. They are also saying that strict action needs to be taken, whoever is responsible behind this entire incident, because as many as 120 people have died in this particular incident. But the recent statement which is coming in on the part of the Samajwadi Party's senior leader and the member of Parliament, Ram Gopal Yadav, that shows a casual approach on his part, because he has said, he has mentioned that such kind of incidents keep on happening, and for that reason now it raises a question upon the Samajwadi Party and the entire opposition as well, that what kind of statement does he has made, because by this statement it is clearly showing that the Samajwadi Party leader is taking a casual approach regarding this entire issue, which should not be accepted at any point of time. Because
and
clearly
Niyamika, one would also ask that when the news of the tragedy came out, The first point of attack came in from the Samajwadi Party, which questioned the Bharatiya Janata Party and the administration, and rightly so. But when there is a member of parliament, a senior leader of the Samajwadi Party, who goes on to say "Hadsa hote rehta hai," so at one point you have leaders of the SP questioning the BJP. Then on the other hand, you have Samajwadi Party MP Ram Gopal Yadav saying "Hadsa hote rehta hai." If it is "Hadsa hote rehta hai," then why are you going ahead and questioning the BJP? So that's a question that many are asking today.
Well, indeed, this is a question which needs to be asked from the Samajwadi Party as well, because we have seen that how earlier the opposition leaders, whether it is the Congress leaders or the Samajwadi Party leaders, they were saying that this is not an incident, this is a murder. The manner in which there was an administrative lapse that needs to be answered by the BJP government at that point of time. But now it is their own MP, it is the Samajwadi Party senior leader Ram Gopal Yadav who has given us.
Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us. Mr. Malviya, Samajwadi Party's Ram Gopal Yadav, I hope you've heard what he said. He goes on to say, "Hadsa hai, hote rehta hai, ye to har jagah hota hai," at a time when 120 lives have been lost in the Hathras tragedy, at a time when Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has gone on to say that culprits will not be spared. What's your first response?
What happened in Hathras is extremely unfortunate. What is more unfortunate is the insensitive comment coming in from the Samajwadi Party leader. And he's making these comments because this Dhongi Baba was very close to Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav in the past has visited this Dhongi Baba's ashram several times and has endorsed him unequivocally. And that is why the Samajwadi Party is not only silent, but is also endorsing a horrific incident like this. I completely condemn it. We have to remain sensitive at these times and ensure that all support is provided to the people of the families who have lost their near and dear ones, and make sure that such incidents do not happen again.